In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you've recently had a name change or simply want to update your profile for any number of reasons, I'll guide you step by step to make this process as smooth and quick as possible. Firstly, you'll need to visit Clickup's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL in the address bar. Clickup is known as the everything app for work, and finding the correct landing page should be quite easy if you search for it directly. Once there, you'll be greeted by Clickup's clean and user-friendly interface. Next, look for the login button and click on it to proceed. If you're already logged into Clickup, you can skip this step. For those who aren't, you'll need to enter your login credentials, which are typically your email and password. Make sure you are entering the correct details to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Clickup homepage, which serves as your central hub for all of your projects and collaboration. Now on the homepage, the next step is to access your profile. You can usually find this option by looking for your user icon or avatar somewhere on the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu provides quick access to various user-related settings, including your profile. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will lead you to a comprehensive settings page where you can update various preferences and details related to your Clickup account. In these settings, you have control over many aspects of your workspace experience, helping tailor it to your personal workflow needs. Once you are on the settings page, look for the section labeled Full Name. This is where you're going to make the change. Click on this option to bring up the text field that contains your current name. Here, simply delete your current name and enter the new name you wish to use on Clickup. This action will update the name displayed across the platform. After entering your new name, make sure to save your changes. This might sound trivial, but it is a crucial step to ensure your new name is correctly updated in the system. Saving your changes guarantees that your updated name will be reflected not only in your personal profile, but also in any shared workspaces or tasks where your name is displayed. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your name on Clickup. Now you can continue to collaborate and manage your projects with your updated credentials. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.